Vikas Gupta, MD at PG Electroplast, joining in with us. Thank you so much, Mr. Gupta. Good afternoon. And, I want to talk about your guidance from FY24, Q4 FY24 to Q1 FY25. In these 3 months, what changed that you've raised your guidance both for revenue as well as in terms of the profit for FY25?
Good afternoon, and thanks for having me on your show. The kind of growth momentum that we are experiencing in our product business in air conditioners and in washing machines, that has helped us in revising our revenue guidance for the FY25. And we saw very strong sales in the first quarter of FY25. Our business in air conditioners grew more than 130%. Our washing machines business grew more than 70%. So there is a very strong growth momentum for us, which is continuing in our product category business, which is helping us in revising our revenue guidance.
Okay, sure. For obviously this time room ACs, washing machine, all those summer products surely have seen a good trend. But do you think that is something that is possibly will continue going forward as well? Because now summer season is over, then obviously this is not one of the stronger quarters that we see coming in post Q2, Q3.
So yes, for us, definitely the AC season is more or less over. Now, for us, the major focus will shift in coming quarters for up till Diwali will be more focusing on washing machine and our business of televisions in the joint venture entity. So the kind of order book that we have for our wash category business and for the television business, we are very hopeful that we will be able to maintain the similar level of growth momentum in our revenue.
Okay, so you're maintaining a similar, revenue momentum for now. But what's the overall capacity addition plan? Do you think you're well, in terms of your utilization level, what is it at right now? And in terms of the PLI schemes, are you looking at applying for some more or anything else is in the pipeline?
So regarding capacities, we already have a capex guidance of around 370 to 380 crores for the current financial year, where we are going to further expand our capacities both in air conditioners and in washing machines. We are already started construction of our new plant for air conditioners in Bhiwadi in Rajasthan. We are further expanding our capacities for air conditioners in our plant in state of Maharashtra. We are further expanding our capacities in washing machines. We are further building a new facility in Greater Noida to augment our washing machine capacity. So, and regarding the PLI schemes, yes, the government has already announced or opened a window for white goods PLI once again. We are planning to participate in that again. Going forward, we are expecting a PLI scheme to be announced for the electronic components. We are very hopeful on that. So once that scheme is announced, we'll be reading that and going through the final details, and maybe we'll be participating in the electronic components PLI as well.
The one that you're participating in right now, the window for which has opened up, what kind of benefits can come through? Could you detail it out in terms of numbers? What will it mean for the company?
So it is basically the new PLI window is for the white goods PLI, which is primarily for air conditioners. We already are a successful applicant in our previous window of PLI for white goods, and where we have been able to achieve all our targets in terms of increasing our investments and incremental revenues. So to further augment on that kitty of PLI incentive, we are further going to participate in the new PLI, new window of the white goods PLI. So we are already working out the numbers. We will be releasing those guidance in coming times on that.
But any idea in terms of in the first, let's say in the first scheme when you had kind of cleared, what was the contribution? Is it going to be similar? Is it going to be meaningfully higher? And when do you plan to come up with these numbers perhaps? Because you've already upgraded your guidance once this year.
So please understand that PLI scheme, that the new window which has opened, that we will be participating in that. But the numbers for that PLI scheme can be captured only in the FY26 and FY27. So it will not have any major impact on our FY25 guidance. Definitely in FY26, we can harness those PLI incentives for the new scheme as well.
Sure. I just want to understand then overall, with the PLI schemes and the growth that you're seeing currently for the summer products and overall, do you think that, previously you've spoken about a 25% CAGR growth over the next few years. So that also guidance, maybe in the next couple of years, overall also we would see a higher growth coming in from the company in the next few years?
So please understand, right now we are given a revenue guidance of 3,750 crores for the FY25. We are already working on the product categories that we are already currently serving to our clients. We are in process of further acquisition of new clients, new customers, increasing the wallet share with the existing customers as well. So we are hopeful, and I see the potential for the growth in India for all these product categories is very huge. And we feel that we should be able to maintain a growth rate of 25 to 30% going forward for 3, 4, 5 years. Should not be a major challenge on that.
Okay, so that's the word coming in. Thank you, Mr. Gupta, for making time and speaking with us, and all the best for the next set of PLI as well. In